Global monitoring efforts are focused on precursor energies linked to seismic events. These efforts involve the use of advanced sensor networks and data analysis techniques. Monitored regions are visualized to highlight areas of increased seismic potential. The visualization emphasizes the interconnectedness of different seismic zones. This interconnectedness suggests that events in one region can influence others. Understanding these connections is crucial for improving earthquake prediction and mitigation strategies. Subsurface scans reveal increased energy ascents beneath northwest Turkey. These ascents indicate expansions occurring deep underground. The expansions suggest a buildup of pressure in the Earth's crust. Heightened pressure may correlate with potential seismic activity in the region. Geophysical data indicates heightened energy levels beneath southeast Greece. Real-time data streams are monitoring subsurface conditions. Rising energy levels suggest increasing tectonic stress. These conditions are potentially conducive to seismic events. Continuous monitoring is crucial for assessing risk. Geophysical data analysis aids in understanding regional seismic activity. The simulation visualizes the movement of precursor energies. This energy activity occurs throughout central and southern Italy. The simulation provides insights into energy distribution patterns. It maps the flow of energy in the depths of the region. This mapping aids in understanding energy dynamics. The simulation assists in analyzing energy expansion trends. The Strait of Gibraltar is under pressure monitoring due to seismic concerns. Subsurface pressure is being measured to assess potential risks. The pressure gauge indicates increasing subsurface pressures. Rising pressure levels may signal increased seismic activity. Monitoring helps in predicting and mitigating potential seismic events. The map focuses on northwest and central Iran. It highlights regions experiencing heightened seismic activity. Seismic events are occurring at varying depths within the Earth. The increased activity suggests potential geological shifts. Monitoring these areas is crucial for risk assessment. The data aids in understanding regional tectonic behaviors. An energy flow diagram visually represents the movement of energy. This diagram specifically illustrates energy pathways in Central and Southern Africa. It focuses on the flow of precursor energies. These energies originate from deep beneath the Earth's surface. The diagram provides insights into the region's geological energy dynamics. Volcanic activity around the Canary and Azores Islands is actively monitored. The monitoring process involves tracking various parameters indicative of volcanic unrest. Precursor energy levels are correlated with observed volcanic activity. This correlation helps in understanding and predicting potential volcanic events. The South Sandwich Islands are located in a tectonically active region. This region is characterized by the interaction of multiple tectonic plates. Tectonic plate movement in this area leads to frequent seismic activity. The seismic activity often manifests as earthquakes of varying magnitudes. Volcanic activity is also common due to the tectonic plate interactions. These interactions contribute to the dynamic geological landscape of the South Sandwich Islands. Deep-sea sensors are deployed to monitor the South Atlantic seafloor. These sensors are designed to detect energy releases in the deep ocean environment. The data collected provides insights into potential seismic precursors. Monitoring these precursors aids in understanding and predicting seismic activity. Indonesia is a region with significant seismic and volcanic activity. Specific areas within Indonesia are identified as having increased risk. These hotspots are monitored due to potential hazards. Mapping these regions helps in disaster preparedness and mitigation efforts. Energy ascent displays are being monitored in specific regions of China. These regions include Xinjiang, Xizan, Tibet, and Sichuan. The displays track potential increases in energy levels within these areas. These energy ascents are being analyzed for possible correlation with seismic activity. The goal is to identify patterns that may indicate an increased risk of earthquakes. Marine scans indicate ongoing precursor energy activation in the Asia-Pacific region. This activation spans across key geographical areas. Identified locations include Japan. Taiwan is also showing signs of precursor energy presence. The Kuril Islands are included in the region exhibiting this activity. These scans provide real-time data on energy fluctuations in the designated marine areas. Submarine activity is being monitored in several key regions. Sustained energy focuses have been detected near the Philippines. Similar energy signatures are present near Guam. Activity is also noted in the vicinity of the Mariana Islands. Kamchatka is another area showing concentrated submarine activity. These energy focuses suggest ongoing submarine operations in these areas. An energy expansion forecast indicates potential seismic activity. This forecast focuses on central and southern Mexico. The areas of concern include states such as Chiapas. Oaxaca is also identified as a region with potential seismic activity. Veracruz is another state highlighted in the energy expansion forecast. Guatemala, El Salvador, and Nicaragua are key players in Central America's energy sector. These countries are actively expanding their energy infrastructure and capabilities. A primary focus is extending energy resources towards the Central and Eastern Caribbean. This expansion aims to bolster energy security and regional cooperation. New projects and initiatives are being developed to facilitate this growth. The expansion represents a strategic move to integrate energy markets across the region. Costa Rica and Panama are actively expanding their energy sectors. These expansions are primarily directed towards the Central Caribbean region. Energy infrastructure is also being developed in the Eastern Caribbean. This initiative aims to enhance energy access and reliability in the Caribbean. The expansion efforts involve various energy sources and technologies. Costa Rica and Panama are key players in this regional energy development. Nepal, Myanmar, and the Andaman and Nicobar Islands are identified as active zones. These regions are experiencing an ascent of energy. These regions are experiencing an expansion of energy. The display highlights these active zones. The display indicates the ongoing energy dynamics in these geographical areas. The U.S. West Coast demonstrates a significant emphasis on energy initiatives. Canada also exhibits an active energy focus. These regions are characterized by expansive energy-related activities. This suggests a strong commitment to energy development and innovation. The energy sector is a key area of attention and investment in both the U.S. West Coast and Canada. Central and northern USA exhibit notable seismic energy concentrations. These energy focuses suggest potential areas of geological stress. The seismic precursors indicate active tectonic processes. Monitoring these areas is crucial for understanding regional seismic risks. Alaska and Hawaii are regions with significant volcanic and seismic activity. These areas require constant monitoring due to their active geological nature. Volcanic activity can lead to eruptions, posing risks to nearby populations and infrastructure. Seismic activity, or earthquakes, can cause widespread damage and tsunamis. Monitoring systems are crucial for early detection and warning of potential hazards. Continuous surveillance helps in understanding geological processes and mitigating risks. Australasia, including Kermadec, exhibits notable precursor energy concentrations. New Zealand also demonstrates sustained focuses of these precursor energies. These energy presences suggest potential underlying activity. Further investigation is warranted to understand the nature of these energies. Monitoring these areas may provide insights into future events. Fiji, Vanuatu, and Tonga are located within a chain of Pacific islands. These islands are being scanned for unusual energy signatures. The scans reveal sustained concentrations of precursor energies. Precursor energies may indicate an impending event or phenomenon. Monitoring these energy concentrations is crucial. Further analysis is required to determine the nature and potential impact of these energies. Papua New Guinea and the Solomon Islands are identified as active energy zones. These regions exhibit sustained concentrations of precursor energies. The presence of these energies indicates dynamic, geological, or atmospheric activity. Further investigation is needed to understand the nature and implications of these energy concentrations. Planetary seismic activity refers to the occurrence of earthquakes and related phenomena on a planetary scale. This perspective highlights that seismic events are inherent to the nature of planets. Understanding planetary seismic activity is crucial for assessing potential hazards. Continuous monitoring and analysis are necessary for effective preparedness. Mitigation strategies are essential to minimize the impact of seismic events. A global perspective emphasizes the need for coordinated efforts in seismic risk management.